That's some destination.
My wife's right. Wait till you see the new towns of tomorrow. Desert farms, floating cities, even colonies in space. But you know, this isn't exactly the first time anyone's tried to make this trip. People have been dreaming about the future for centuries. Well, here's the stuff dreams were made of several hundred years ago. Yeah, it's always fun looking back at tomorrow. Come on, I'll show you what I have. There's the grand old man himself, Jules Verne. This is the way a moonshot looked to him back in the late 1800s. Old Uncle Jules may not have had all the answers, but he had the right idea.
He was just a little ahead of his time.
Some pretty fantastic views of the future.
And some pretty mixed up ones, too.
Easy living. It's always been just around the corner. Looking back at tomorrow through the movies of yesteryear. En route, business conferences are conducted by television. The only difference is that today, with what we know and what we're learning to do, we really can bring our dreams to life. It takes a lot of work, but the truth is, if we can dream it, we can do it.
Tomorrow's horizons are here, today.
The DNA chain. Life's molecular blueprint. Decoding its secrets is leading us to dramatically improved health. The sun. Today we're learning ways to harness its limitless energy. Seen are the building blocks for the future up ahead. And while it may look fantastic, remember, it's all possible.
That's right.
And we ought to know, we live there. Come on, take a look at 21st century living, on land, at sea, and even out in space. But let's start off at our place.
talking to our daughter, the desert girl. That little girl and her husband are in farming. Like music? My wife there has a good ear for music. That's our daughter she's talking to. She's doing rumors out there on Desert County.
Tell you who's the other head project that's so I can hardly wait till the Bible starts reading the song.
Isn't it something? Send a city kid to college for 7 years and what happens? She becomes a farmer.
Well, I think agricultural engineer is a little more like it.
Okay, but me, I'll take the city.
Yes, it's always exciting.
But hey, with today's transportation, we're just minutes away from our kids. Look at that, will you? A few years ago, this was all barren desert. No crops, no irrigation. Quite a transformation.
Even the robots say it. Stand by, harvesters.
I need real showers.
I believe it. Thanks for the warning. All harvesters, suspend irrigation program. Harvester 6, continue transit.
You know, this really makes me proud.
And you wanted her to go to law school.
But do you suppose they ever miss the fun of the city?
Well, I think they get their share right here.
Are you in block? Well, if you are, what I need to tell you, but you've been running a little slow for the past few years.
Very funny.
Please don't say. After all, it is a party.
I know it's a party.
My folks will be here as well.
Well, why would I be late? I'm surprised to hear you mention
Shouldn't your granddaughter be studying instead of flirting with that beach boy?
He is not a beach boy. He's studying marine biology there on the floating city.
that Sunset Express heads for the desert. Be on it.
You better be.
I'll be there. I just want to lace a rock.
Not worried about your swimming. And I know this isn't your first dive, but tell me, what's your most important tool underwater? Wrong, Rover. It's judgment. You must use good judgment. And what else must you do, Scott? Swim safely, follow your diving rules, and never horse around while diving. Never. Don't even see horse around. Okay, class, settle down.
Floating cities, they're amazing. I mean, whole new industries have developed in them. And under them, mariculture, all sorts of marine mining, fuels, energy.
And fun. Remember fun?
I'm serious.
Well, so am I. Floating cities have opened up whole new ways for people to enjoy their lives, as well as their work.
Something sort of mysterious about our oceans. We knew they were filled with valuable gifts for us.
Yeah, water and seaweed.
Very friendly. But seawater has become an excellent source of energy, as well as being valuable for desert irrigation.
Tell us. Seaweed.
Hell is a tremendous source of low-cost fuel. Oh, we found lots of good things under our oceans.
And don't forget space. We found lots of good things out there, too. is the new frontier.
Our son and his family wouldn't live anywhere else. Hey, maybe you and I ought to move up here.
Oh, what a wonderful idea.
Now there's my speed. Sports, exercise, and zero gravity.
It looks like fun.
It is once you get the hang of it.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with you. Don't let go of Napoleon. We don't want to lose him.
Hey, Mom, what if they just float away?
Hey, Mom.
Hey, Mom, what if I just float away?
Well, your father will get you as soon as he manages to get your shoes.
Oh, now that's really lovely.
Practical, too. Just think, materials from space for all kinds of industries back on Earth. And that.
We gotta run.
Time for our grandson's party? We'll catch up to you later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Katie. Happy birthday to you.
Attention, please. Horizons 1 Earth Shuttle now available for boarding at gate 22. Final boarding call for Horizons 1.
Attention Horizons passengers. You are invited to choose your own flight path back to the future platform. Please look down at the lighting panels in front of you. Press 1 of the 3 ride choices: space, desert, or undersea. Everyone can choose. Majority rules. All passengers, make your selections now.
From the future.
Oh, it went by so quickly.
Yes, but one of the nice things about traveling into the future is that the journey's just beginning.
That's right.
And I'll tell you something. If we can dream it, we really can do it. And that's the most exciting part.
All of us at GE look forward to bringing good things to life for you, today and tomorrow. Now, please take small children by the hand and watch your step onto the moving belt. The belt and your vehicle are traveling at the same speed.